Good morning. This is Source Codex, aka Jazz Fusion Guy, and I put up many videos about my bamboo and bamboo control and all that, but I thought I'd share something that I recently did. I used bamboo as an art form, an installation, so to speak. My wife had me cut these in plans for doing something else, but that plan never saw fruition. So we had all these extra pieces of bamboo, and I hated to see them just laying around doing nothing. So all of these bamboo have been cut right near the node, except for that guy there. I may trim him later. And all of them have been cut at a 45-degree angle. And I literally just took a sledgehammer and a piece of wood and knocked them into the ground. Now, I happen to have some solar powered lights here and here, and it adds a really nice effect when these guys are lit up. So here's how things look at night. Now, occasionally I harvest bamboo for whatever reason, and sometimes I cut out the bamboo that has obviously died. I then cut that bamboo into 10-foot sections. Now, my lovely wife came up with an idea that I think she found on Pinterest for a way to organize firewood. But we modified that idea, and you have two cinder blocks spaced as needed, and then two 2-foot pieces of landscape timber. These were laying around the house, and these are brand new ones that we used. So now all my harvested bamboo, be it old and dry or green like that, I've got my 8 to 10-foot sections laying here up off the ground. And if I need them, I will use them. Let me go show you what I used bamboo for recently. Hang on. Now, I know a lot of people will use bamboo for fishing poles and all that whatnot, but I decided to use bamboo to stabilize this young Japanese dogwood, and it works out just fine. These are your little floaties, little tubes that kids use in the pool, and we put those on to protect the bark, and there you have it. It ain't the most beautiful thing in the world, but it's functional, because at times, if if a hose got dragged across this tree, it would go all the way to the ground, even though it was well planted. So bamboo here has come in quite so nice. Bamboo does have various uses. I know in Asia they build all kind of things with bamboo, and one other thing I'll show you that I've done with bamboo before is I had a situation with a rotting fence here, as well as I had a bamboo pruning trench. You can read about what that is in another video. But I took bamboo and I ripped it and cut it the right length and put it all the way down in the pruning trench because my neighbor's property used to have a lot of bamboo like I did, and he cut them down, but he didn't remove the rhizomes, so they continued trying to come to my property. So by putting these in the pruning trench is an actual physical barrier that the bamboo rhizomes couldn't get through, and it's worked quite nicely. And I had the very same situation crop up. Bamboo is insidious about trying to travel all over your property. So I had bamboo that had made a end run around my, you'll see this black heavy duty plastic, that's a bamboo barrier. Well, the bamboo rhizomes had made an end run around my bamboo barrier that stops right there. And you'll see they started growing up outside my fence, between my fence and my neighbor's fence. And they were running rhizomes right into this bed here. And to keep the rhizomes from spreading into this area here, I did the same, fighting bamboo with bamboo. So it has many uses, even to prevent the spread of bamboo where you don't want it. But that's just a little update on what's going on in my backyard and my front yard as far as with bamboo.